seriously, this place is massive. It's not a supermarket. It's a cathedral of groceries. Do we really need a map for a head of lettuce?
Relax, honey. It's London. Everything is grand. Look at those pyramids of organic dragon fruit. Brilliant, isn't it?
It's 5:00 p.m. on a Friday. The grandeur is giving me a headache. Okay, checklist time. We need Earl Grey tea, those specific shortbread biscuits for your mom, and... Wait, where's the kid?
Whoa! Look at that! A tiny drone delivering cheese sample. It's like a flying snack.
Don't let it hit you in the face, buddy. Stay close. We're heading to the British Classics aisle.
Okay, Toby. Hold on to the trolley. Don't let go. If you get lost in the forest of expensive marmalade, we might never find you again.
Can we go to the toy section? I saw a giant teddy bear dressed as a royal guard.
Not today. We have a mission. Focus. Biscuits first.
Oh.
Oh, look! Artisanal, truffle-infused Scotch eggs. I've got to try one. It's a cultural necessity.
Everything is a necessity when you're hungry. Fine, go grab your fancy egg. I'll go find the tea. Toby, stay with your dad.
Look! The drone is moving! It's going towards the chocolate fountain.
Wait, let me just check the price on this. 15 for an egg? Blimey, that's steep. Maybe I'll... Wait, where did he go?
Back already. Got the tea. Where's Toby?
Toby was just here, looking at the drone. He was pointing at the chocolate.
You let him go? In a 5-storied supermarket? Mark! You had one job!
He's fast. He's like a little ninja. Don't worry, he's probably just around the corner.
Don't worry. There are approximately 10,000 people here. Okay, don't panic. Let's check the international sweets section. That's his natural habitat.
Ah!
Hello? Have you seen a small boy in a bright red hoodie? He's about this tall and looks like he's looking for trouble.
Good evening, madam. A young gentleman in red? I believe I saw someone matching that description heading towards the gourmet cheese vault.
The cheese vault? Why would he go there?
Let me check for you. Well, we are currently hosting a world record attempt for the largest Stilton wheel. It's quite a spectacle. Great. He's probably trying to climb it. Thanks, mate. Cheers.
Stop saying cheers and start running.
It's so quiet in here. It smells like old socks and expensive dreams.
It's the aged cheddar? Look, there's the giant cheese wheel. But no boy. Oh no, what if he went out the back door? What if he's trying to board a red bus?
Hey, look at that screen over there. The live customer experience feed.
Is that Toby? On a 50-inch monitor?
He's in the Future of Food lab on the 4th floor. He's wearing a tiny white lab coat.
A lab coat? How did he even get a lab coat? Let's go! Floor 4, move!
Attention shoppers, we have a very special guest in our tasting laboratory today. Young Master Toby, our young visitor, is currently helping our Master Chocolatier refine our new sparkling fizzy's tea truffle.
I don't know whether to scream in frustration or cry with relief. My heart is doing a marathon.
Are you kidding? He's a master refiner now. Maybe he can get us a discount.
Not funny.
More bubbles. It needs more bubbles. And maybe some popping candy.
Fascinating. A truly revolutionary perspective. The youth really do have the best palates, don't they?
Excuse me! Pardon me! That's my son!
Oh, hi, Mom. Look, I'm the junior taste consultant. I get to eat all the mistakes.
Eating mistakes? That's been my hobby for years. Can I join the team?
No, you cannot join the team. Toby, do you have any idea how worried we were? We thought you were lost.
I wasn't lost. I was following the drone. It led me to the ID elevator, and this nice man clerk asked if I like sweets.
He's been a massive help, madam. He identified that our sea salt caramel was, in his words, too salty for a human. We've adjusted the recipe immediately.
Oh? I don't know whether to apologize or ask for a royalty check.
Actually, as a token of our gratitude for his consultation services, we'd like to offer your family this VIP hamper. Is that the N200 Platinum hamper with the gold wrapped biscuits? Indeed, and a lifetime membership to our Frequent Explorer Club. Lovely, isn't it?
And I got a toy drone, a real one.
Unbelievable! We came in for tea and biscuits, and we're leaving with a career and a drone.
See? I told you. London is full of surprises.
Fine, you win this time. But it's Toby. From now on, the only drone you follow is the one inside our house.
Deal! But can we go back to the cheese vault first? I think I left my hat on the giant Stilton.
No!
Cheers, everyone. Mind the gap on your way out.